Hi, my name is Eva Likotiko. I'm 18 years old. I'm here to sing. I love singing because my passion, it makes me a star and it releases me from stress. Well, like a melody with no words until we figure this out. Sing la 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 la, la la. And now it's simple, yes, but it's not right up to now. It's up to now, yeah. Every day's been like a dream world. No, you are not just in my head. Oh no, well, we remember different summers, like dust in your heart to see where we land. Yes, it's easy, tell it's harder to play when we started all over again and again and again. Oh, you know that I can't help but wonder what's gonna happen next, but I'm a little curious. Oh, yeah. Every stone that I stood under, but you were under it too. Did you ever think about us? Yeah, I hope you did, 'cause I can tell you that's something I'll never forget. I won't forget if we remember different summers, like dust in your heart to see where we land. Yes, it's easy, tell it's harder to play when we started all over again. Only friends, just beginning when we started all over again, so we can start from here. Well, we remember different summers, like dust in your heart to see where we land. Yes, it's easy, tell it's harder to play when we started all over again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Again and again and again. Well, we remember different summers.